Hey guys, so as you know by the title, I am doing a Minecraft theory because I have fucking writer's block. Yes, I have to curse. I said this as a not meant for kids, cause and YouTube will kill me if they find out that I'm being kid friendly. So I have to curse. I'm just gonna curse in some videos. Sorry, I talk about kids, but you're gonna have to deal with it. I freaking deal with it. Anyways, so let's see what to talk about. Oh yeah, the creepers. Go check out. I'm gonna link the game theory video that I'm talking about. Check that out. I'll wait. You back? Okay, great. Now that you are back and you know the context, why would they build it? The ancient builders, whatever. I'm building off his theory. Simple. They were a mistake. I know he slightly touched upon this. That oh, they built it trying to make something. Why the heck would they make it explode? Because it was a mistake. Where the heck am I going with this? No idea. Um, evidence one. It was a mistake. Let's see. Oh yeah, what are they? They look like pigs. They have the exact dimensions of pigs, but kind of swapped. Actually, this was intentional. That's how they were made. Of course. Bruh, that's I know that is literally what I'm trying to fit in. Um so literally why the heck are they made like pigs? Simple. They were just made using a bunch of different animals, and they probably weren't made exactly. I don't agree that they were made in the desert. Why would they make them in the desert? As traps? Doubt it. They would spawn they almost never spawn in the desert. They spawn green, camouflaged. I think that he's right, but they weren't made in like they were just made in like they were probably made maybe in the temples, but they weren't said to be in the temples to be exact. I'm gonna touch upon this later, but so basically what I so where was I going with this? Yep, okay, now I remember. So basically the reason why they are like that, don't mind my questionable search history. I'll show you that I did just to make that was that was not what I was meaning to search. I wanted to talk about DW, like the character. Anyways, um, so when were they made? Because they used the pig parts. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna touch upon this later a bit more. But from the symbol, it was made in the other parts, like where it was clean land. That was the only other mob that they could use. Maybe sheep parts. No, that wouldn't work. So that's what I think, and that they were just kind of using other parts, and here's where it gets really juicy. Um, I have a question. Why are they green? Come on, Matthew Patrick. Explain to me why the heck are they green? Okay, so you see that they're using a plant. Why? You mean the plant that doesn't exist? Yeah, that one. The plant. Yeah, it does exist actually. You mean the plant that doesn't exist in Minecraft? Ooh, what if it once existed? Nah, oh yes, because there's real gravity and death and like sucking the soul out of like what the heck? You're telling me that every inch was oil, now there is, so I guess yeah, you could actually that would probably soul what's it called? Soul dirt? I don't know. Stuff like that. That could have been the original one. Anyways, off topic. Why are they made green? It's simple. Camouflage. Why camouflage? Because they were meant to mark territory. They were a signal for like, oh, if they were like, if any trespasser were to enter, they were made in, obviously, like I said, they were made in the temples, but not for the temples. For other stuff, like for example, the jungle temples, where they would blend in. They grabbed a bunch of leaves a bunch of dirt, and they kind of shoved it all in there. Anyway, so that I just realized that I have not been doing anything for this. But anyways, so they were meant to mark territory, not exactly, but in a way. If you went into someone else's territory, you would pay the consequences. I'm using the example of a jungle temple because that one's close, I guess. So that one's pretty close. Like, for example, in the jungle temples, like I was saying, they were meant to be hidden over there. But slowly after their masters were gone, and yes, I agree with, like, I agree with Matthew. I'm gonna call him that since it makes it sound like I know the guy, which I do not at all. I do not have any correlation IRL with him, but Matthew stated, oh, they like the cats and they're basically Egyptians. Yes, I do agree with it. They're basically Egyptians. He didn't say it, but he basically kind of showing that they're basically Egyptians. And yeah, they probably do like cats. And they were just meant like, don't, because they were like probably treated as plus. Why would they be treated as that? I don't know. But maybe they were just pets and they didn't want to hurt the pets. By wolves? Why not wolves? Because they can defend themselves, probably. Nah, doubt it. Anyways, after making that trashy joke, they were meant to kind of guard, and that's probably in the video.